Assalamu alaikum everyone, and I'm going to talk about Bitcoin once again for Sunday 16 January. And if you're not in Discord, join the Discord. The link is in the description of this video. Okay, yesterday I talked about potentially Bitcoin going to $46,000, and in my opinion it is looking to actually go to that line right there, because this is a resistance line that I see playing out. Touch here, potentially one touch right there, and the reason why is because we had a cup and handle, and when you have a cup and handle like this, they actually tend to play out. So basically you put in this cup right there, you made a handle just like that, you've broken out of that handle, and ever since you've been moving sideways. So this is a bullish pattern, and you take the high to the bottom, this is where you broke out, and this is where you're looking to go, $46,000. And unless we don't have $46,000, it's really difficult for me to say that we're actually going to go any more further down. And so far, I do recognize that we potentially might have made something known as a Tweezer Bottom on the 4-hour time frame. This one right here, it's nearly a Tweezer Bottom, or you can even say that this is a bullish engulfing. Actually, it looks like a bullish engulfing on the 4-hour time frame right now. Bullish engulfing right there. So here we are. This is it. And the technical target is 46K. I just want to turn on the EMAs, and I do notice that on the EMAs, by the way, we're getting above the 55, you're getting above the 10, and you're getting above the 20. And that's actually quite positive for me to say that Bitcoin is interested to go to the upside direction. So let's see what it happens. I just want to dive into the 1-hour time frame as well and talk about the 1-hour time frame. So here we are on the hourly. We are trying to get a small cross just like this, and this candlestick we see closes in the next 45 minutes. Right now it seems like an inverted hammer, but it could actually end up being a big Marubozu candlestick going all the way up to 43,380 or even above that particular price level. Now today is really important. Today is a very important day for us to judge where BTC is going to go, and I'm actually going to turn off the EMAs right now. It's just like that. And if we end up closing above $43,000 or even above 42,600, if we close above it, then we're putting in something known as a bullish spinning top candlestick. And I've spoken about this one before. If you're new, let's do another Google, right? So bullish spinning top candlestick, right? So I'm gonna go to Google the images, and here we are. So let me check for, yeah, here's an example. So one of the example of spinning top, do you see this red candle, and then you have the spinning top just like that, and what happens next is you start a reversal to the upside. So that's the reason why I'm actually saying today is so important. And if you just close like this, 43,215, what you're going to do in the next coming week, 7 days as well, I'm going to tell you the particular scenario. You're putting in a spinning top. That's the first clue. You're finding a support right there at the $39,000. That's positive. Spinning top is positive, and this candle now closes in the next 15 minutes. And I don't think it's interested to go down anymore. And I do believe it's going to close by 43,000 to kick off the next week as well. So in the next 7 days, if you go up to $46,000 because of that cup and handle on the 4-hour time frame, and by next Monday, not next Monday, but after that Monday, basically after 8 days, you go up like that to 46,000, then you're putting in a morning star, right? So how do a morning star looks like? So I'm going to show you. So basically spinning top is a doji, but I'm just going to show you the morning star candlestick as well. So here we are, something like this. Do you see that green candle, spinning top, or that doji, and then you go to 46,000 and make that green candle? So all of this results in a morning star, and from there you are going to continue to the upside. So I am expecting basically Bitcoin to bottom out here. I'm starting to believe that. Okay, I feel like this could be a bottom right now before you start to go back to $69,000. But at the moment, this is a potential scenario that I'm looking after. So the summary and food of thought for this video and update is that I'm waiting for a spinning candlestick, and from there, spinning top. We're gonna have to look for the spinning top and for the morning star, and let's see what happens. That's it for today's update. Gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.